Hi, I'm Jan Radcliffe, and here's the latest news and information from Ford Service Bay Products. In the headlines, SBIS and the power of customer satisfaction. As many of you know, SBIS stands for the Service Bay Information System. It's Ford's revolutionary improvement on the very successful Oasis. As a technical support feature from Ford Customer Service Division, Oasis ranks among the favorites of Ford and Lincoln Mercury dealerships. According to Ford tracking data, dealerships are accessing Oasis millions of times each year. Since 1986, dealerships have used the online automotive service information system to obtain valuable vehicle and service information, critical to their ability to fix vehicles right the first time, on time. What is SBIS and how does it enhance Oasis? Well, the heart of the system is a powerful HP 486SX computer with a 120 megabyte hard disk for data storage and retrieval. SBIS boasts a long list of other first-rate hardware features, including a DeskJet printer that produces high-quality printouts of the repair information. But the real SBIS advantage goes far beyond the hardware to the way Oasis works. Unlike the current TI 707 terminal printer, with SBIS, you can input data in the offline mode. That means you can enter a batch of vehicle identification numbers, or VINs, and their corresponding service codes. Then you place a call to connect SBIS to the Oasis computer at Ford Motor Company. With the current Oasis system, you make the phone connection first and enter only one VIN at a time. The new offline mode saves your dealership phone costs, and SBIS is faster too. Let's say you enter 25 VINs and their service codes offline, and then batch them to Oasis. You could walk away from SBIS and return in about 90 seconds to begin viewing the appropriate information. SBIS supports customer satisfaction, enabling service personnel to quickly tap into Oasis and its many up-to-date information resources. SBIS offers the same long list of valuable Oasis features, including the electronic dealer service report, but it delivers a number of impressive improvements as well. SBIS is more efficient. You can enter up to 50 VINs and service codes at one time in the offline mode before calling Oasis. Without SBIS, users must load one VIN at a time and scroll through each step, a process that can take up to 2 minutes per VIN. SBIS is automatic. Once you call Oasis, the system works on its own very quickly. Unlike the existing system, when the communication is completed, SBIS automatically disconnects from Oasis immediately, minimizing your phone charges. You can return moments later to find all the information stored in your computer ready for viewing. Oasis currently offers only one way to view the information, in a printed form. SBIS is flexible. It customizes information to your needs. You can quickly view the data on the screen and then select any sections you wish to print. In the offline mode, SBIS also allows you to stop an entry and pick up where you left off later. That's a convenience not available without SBIS. And should the system need updating, Ford would simply mail dealers software upgrades if required. SBIS can be used easily by service writers and technicians alike. We sent our crew to a pilot dealership in Boston, Massachusetts. Although the hardware and software they're using is preliminary, SBIS has become a permanent player on their service team.
When we were first introduced to SBIS, we were almost overwhelmed with its complexity. Once after we put our hands on it and started using it, we realized how simple it was. It became so user-friendly. You just follow the menu from start to finish and it leads you right through. Our technicians enjoy it and use it often.
With a team of 13, Neponset Lincoln Mercury handles 40 to 50 service customers a day. Neponset is dedicated to technology. They use computers to write up orders and SBDS to diagnose and repair vehicles. In 1992, they became a pilot dealership for SBIS and are committed to using Oasis on every vehicle. They feel SBIS has actually helped them improve the way they do business.
Well, SBIS is tying in with the Ford service standards and keeping the customer happy. We here are trying to wrap our arms around the customer We're able to satisfy them because we're sophisticated and have the technology like SBIS to achieve that goal.
I often use SBIS with the customer on the phone. That way, when I'm booking the appointment with them, I can get all the necessary arrangements set up for them. I can tell them what's going on with their automobile, explain to them that I have to do such and such as order parts, or make sure that I can get the components. The parts department's right next to us, so I can walk right over and get all that information and make sure that they're aware of what I need for particular recalls or any components that might be under a program or a warranty repair.
What we usually do is write up the customer first and run the VIN numbers in batches later. But if I have the time while the customer is waiting, I walk out to SBIS and run their VIN number there to answer any type of warranty questions they have before the customer might leave. SBIS is fast enough to do that.
My technicians use SBIS very often. They use it for seeking out customer concern codes, information on cars, broadcast messages, and whatnot. We cannot do this on SBDS because that's being tied up repairing automobiles.
SBIS has been fabulous. This is a harsh environment. The shop is loaded with dust, gases from exhaust, and we have very varying temperatures all the time with the doors being open, and the machine hasn't broken. It's been a fabulous machine.
Now that we've used SBIS, I don't believe we could function. And to have these answers to the questions at their fingertips, I don't think that they could function properly and do the job without it. We're spoiled.
SBIS plays a pivotal part in achieving the 7 Ford service standards, standards that were developed with the help of Ford and Lincoln Mercury dealers. Using SBIS to gather the latest information right from the start helps reduce comebacks and ensures that you achieve standard number 4, vehicles serviced right on the first visit. SBIS also impacts Service Standard 6. You can only deliver the vehicle to the customer at the agreed-upon time if service technicians have quick access to vital repair and recall information. SBIS is part of the service revolution. Ford continues to develop its family of innovative service bay products that complement each other and are designed to be used together by your service team all around your shop. Each tool has its own specialty.
We design each member of the Service Bay Products family as an enhancement of another. In the future, we'll launch our publication system, or SBPS. Now, it'll have all the capabilities of Oasis on the SBIS, plus its laser printer will print hundreds of thousands of pages from service manuals and EVTMs. Our technical system, or SBTS, takes all the functions of the publishing system and puts them on a movable cart. And also, we added a touchscreen for easier usage by the technician. One additional feature we have on SBTS is the ability for the technician to roll the cart over to the vehicle and reprogram the EEC5, which is our new generation powertrain controller. We'll also provide some link-based diagnostics that we have on SBDS. SBDS is the foundation of the Ford Service Bay products. Think of it as the pop-up of them all. 600 people that work here at Diagnostic Service Planning are going to continue to develop cutting-edge information and additional diagnostic capabilities. It's part of our ongoing commitment to support all of these products, but the key is to help the dealer satisfy our customers.
Support. Ford is committed to satisfying its customers and its dealers. You can count on Ford Customer Service Division to deliver the technology and the technical support you need to meet the service standards and satisfy your customers. We all know that if we keep customers happy in service, they'll be back to see us in sales. For more information about the products and services we profile today, please call 1-800-ROTUNDA. Until next time, I'm Jan Radcliffe reporting. Stay tuned for the latest news and service information from Ford Service Bay Products.